happy Wednesday, third grade. You are almost halfway through your week of online school, so congratulations, keep working hard. So again, we've been talking about area, and with area, finding area, we're going to be using multiplication, so we really want to strengthen our multiplication skills this week. So yesterday we worked on multiplying by 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. So today we're going to work on multiplying with 6, 7, 8, and 9. So of course the first thing we're going to do is practice our skip counting. So we're going to go down here. And remember, the easiest way that I like to skip count is when I can skip count on my fingers, because we're going to go from 1 to 10. So that's going to be the easiest way too. Remember to keep practicing these at home. So when I skip count, I'm going to go 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. So again, after we say it, if you want to pause here and just close your eyes and practice saying it, you can do that as well. Now we skip count by our 7s, which are right here. So we're going to go 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. And now our 8s. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Remember, we've talked about our 9s. Those are going to be one of the easiest ones to write out when we skip count. We see how our ones place, our tens place, starts with the 0, because we'd have a 0 before the 9, and goes up by 1. And then our ones place starts with the 9, 8, 7, 6. It goes down by 1. So those are also an easier one to write because it has a pattern. So let's practice skip counting. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. And remember, we're talking about what are we going to do when we have multiplication, how are we going to solve it? So remember, we've been talking about we could skip count. So when I have 6 times 8, I could skip count by 6 to my 8th finger. So if I have 8 fingers up, I'm going to skip count by 6 for each one. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. So 48 should be my total. But again, these are bigger numbers, so you might not be as comfortable with skip counting on your fingers like that. So that's when we can draw arrays or pictures to help us. So I know my first number is 6, so I want to draw 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So remember, our rows are going down. Now 6 times 8, I want 8 in each row. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this will be counting all of them will give me my total, again, of 48. So that's another way, if you're at home, you can also solve the problems. So our homework is going to be kind of the same as yesterday, but we're just going to be working with different numbers. So let's go over that together. Just as a reminder, this will also be on your starred standard. So when you log into iExcel, just click on the little circle at the bottom that's going to have starred from teacher. So it'll be right here. We're working on G.7. So same as yesterday, we are multiplying to find the products. Products is the answer. If the product, the answer, is less than 10, it goes here. If it's equal to 10, which means the answer is 10, it goes here. Greater than 10, we're going to put it here. So let's get started. We have 9 times 5. So again, you can draw an array. As I said yesterday, I prefer to skip count, so I'm going to skip count by 9s to my 5th finger. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. That, I know it's not smaller than 10, it's not equal to 10. Our answer, our product, is greater than 10, so I'm going to drag it over here. Now we have 9 times 4, so I'm going to skip count by 9s to my 4th finger. 9, 18, 27, 36. Again, just looking at that, I know it is greater than 10. So we're going to put it here. Now I have 7 times 2. If you're feeling uncomfortable with it, you could skip count by 2s to your 7th finger. So you could go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Oh, I'm sorry. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. But I really want us to practice our skip counting by the bigger numbers. So I would say skip count by 7s to your 2nd finger. 714. But again, whatever works best for you, you can use that as well. I also know that's greater than 10. So all 3 of ours are sorted into this category. Now, while you're working on it, again, just as yesterday, at least 15 minutes or until you get to 80. But again, you can push. I want you to try, if you can, get to 100 and just keep working hard, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, 3rd grade.